Hello, this is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales and service. Today I'm excited to bring you this 2022 GMC Savana 3500 box truck with only 42,000 miles on this 6.6 liter V8 Vortec gas engine. Normally with a 4-year-old truck like this, we're used to seeing an average of 25,000 miles a year, which would put you right at 120,000 miles on the odometer about right now. But this one is way under, folks. This is a true low-mile box truck ready for you today. And looking back here in the rear, we have a 16-foot deep cargo box by the Morgan Corporation. We have a plywood lined floor, tie downs on the walls, translucent roof, LED lighting, and we even have a tow package step bumper on the back end. And now we're moving into the cab interior where you're going to find all the amenities that you would expect on a box truck of this caliber. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cruise control, AM, FM, Bluetooth, backup camera, and probably a lot more that I'm not remembering right now. Now let me ask you a question. Is this a truck that you're looking for? Maybe something similar and you want to see more videos just like it? Well, you gotta let me know. Hit that like, subscribe, share button, and hit me up in the comments. I'll get back with you personally, but let me know what kind of videos that you want to see. As we get done looking at this cab interior, I can say that it's virtually spotless. Everything's in order. It's super good condition, like new. Everything functions and works exactly like it should. Let me ask, are you a long ways away from us and need delivery? Well, we have coast-to-coast delivery with our licensed and bonded transporters. We can park this truck on your front door. Call me for a quote. I'd love to get you more information. And now we're about to pull up on our 6.6 liter V8 Vortec GM gas engine. Right there it is. Do I even need to tell you about the durability and the reliability of this very popular engine? And if you would like some additional peace of mind, we do have an optionally available third-party warranty on this vehicle that will take you out for the next 100,000 miles or the next 3 years from what's on the odometer right now. Engine, transmission, rear end, starters, alternators, so much more. Call me for details. I would love to get you more information. Now let me tell you, if this vehicle is not exactly what you're looking for, maybe it's close, but you're wanting this or that or something else, you gotta let me know. We may have it in stock and not even have it advertised yet. Maybe we bought it and it's on the way. Sometimes our trucks never even hit the market because we already have them sold. So give me a call, give me an email, whatever you gotta do, let me know. Well, we really appreciate you watching, and until next time, don't forget, my name's Jeff with Truck and Trailer, and we're here to help you grow your business. See you soon.